Spy gadgets are not just for movies. There are many legal spy devices you can buy on Amazon right now. Some of them are small, some look like everyday items, and some have advanced features you wouldn't expect. I have listed the best ones that can be useful for security, privacy, or just fun. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Uzi Observation Device. Featuring advanced sound amplification, this bionic ear observation device enhances hearing up to 100 feet away, making it perfect for bird watching, spying, and outdoor entertainment. The parabolic sound collecting dish reduces background noise, ensuring clear audio. Equipped with a built-in microphone, 8x monocular, frequency controller, and ergonomic handle, it includes a record and playback function with headphones. Ideal for nature enthusiasts and security applications, it offers superior sound clarity in quiet environments. Swaste Travel Money Belt. Designed for safe international travel, this money belt features a hidden zippered pocket to securely store cash, a paper passport copy, and other valuables. The spacious compartment allows easy storage of bills without excessive folding, ensuring quick access. Crafted from durable nylon webbing with a sturdy plastic buckle, it provides a hassle-free airport security experience. Fully adjustable and comfortable for men and women, it discreetly conceals valuables, keeping them safe from pickpockets and thieves. Kingston Iron Key Locker Plus. Offering XTSAES encryption with brute force and bad USB attack protection, this secure flash drive ensures confidential data stays safe. The multi-password option includes both admin and user access with complex and passphrase modes. An automatic personal cloud backup feature provides extra security, while the virtual keyboard shields passwords from keyloggers. Delivering fast read speeds up to 145 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 115 megabytes per second, it is a reliable choice for protecting sensitive files. Potensic GPS Drone. Lightweight and built for stability, this GPS drone weighs under 249 grams, eliminating the need for FAA registration. Featuring a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor, it captures stunning 12MP photos and smooth 4K videos with shake-vanish technology. The Surgefly system offers beginner-friendly controls with multiple flight modes, reaching speeds of 16 meters per second. Equipped with two 2,500 mAh batteries, it delivers an impressive 62-minute flight time. PixSync 2.0 ensures a stable, low-latency video transmission up to 4 kilometers. Uzi Periscope. Constructed from durable black aluminum, this expandable periscope is lightweight, weatherproof, and designed for tactical surveillance. With a 5x magnification and an adjustable length from 20 to 27 inches, it allows viewing around corners, over fences, and into hidden areas like drop ceilings and air vents. Ideal for both adults and kids, it enhances spy activities and security monitoring while providing a compact and effective solution for discreet observation. Verbatim Fingerprint Secure USB. Featuring 256-bit AES hardware encryption, this secure USB drive ensures your confidential data remains protected. The hardware-based encryption prevents unauthorized access even if stolen, eliminating reliance on software security. Offering fast encryption performance, it unlocks quickly using fingerprint authentication, with support for up to 6 registered fingerprints. Compatible with USB 3.0 and USB 2.0, it includes a user management application for seamless fingerprint access control, making data security effortless and efficient. Ace Martial Arts Supply Cobra System. Built for hunting and target shooting, this self-cocking crossbow boasts an 80 pounds draw weight, offering powerful and precise shots. The fiberglass construction ensures durability, while the adjustable sight enhances targeting accuracy. Complete with a 4x20 scope, 39 aluminum arrows, and 2 80-pound strings, it provides a full archery experience. Designed for reliability and ease of use, it delivers excellent performance for both beginners and experienced users. Pole Snow Hidden Camera Detectors. Equipped with 6 professional detection modes, this hidden camera detector identifies wireless RF signals, infrared signals, and magnetic sources, ensuring privacy protection. The frequency range of 1 to 6.5 GHz provides accurate detection across various surveillance devices. Featuring silent and beeping modes, users can adjust settings based on their environment. The rechargeable battery lasts up to 25 hours on a full charge, making it ideal for travel, hotels, Airbnb stays, and securing personal spaces. Mission Darkness Non-Window Faraday Bag. Shielding against Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, GPS, and RFID signals, this Faraday bag prevents device hacking and tracking. Constructed with military-grade ballistic nylon and 2 layers of Titan RF Faraday fabric, it meets MIL STD 188-125 standards for ultimate signal blocking. Designed for law enforcement, government, and personal security, it provides instant digital privacy. With an interior size of 5.5 by 9 inches, it accommodates multiple phones, credit cards, key fobs, and small electronic devices. Jutovo Tactical Stealth Keyring Holder. Designed for law enforcement and tactical use, this stealth keyring holder is compatible with standard handcuffs and fits duty belts from 1.5 to 2.25 inches wide. The quick-access detachable keyring ensures easy use, while the spring clip prevents accidental key loss. Built with a durable black powder-coated finish, it offers a discreet and professional look. Ideal for police, firefighters, and security personnel, it provides a secure and convenient way to carry essential keys. Spigen One-Touch Hidden Storage Box. Designed for Tesla Model 3 and Y, this storage box blends seamlessly with the vehicle's interior, offering a hidden compartment with tap technology for quick access. The smooth slide technology ensures effortless and stable sliding, making it easy to retrieve stored items. Built with precision for a perfect fit, it enhances organization while maintaining a sleek look. Backed by a 24-month worry-free warranty, it provides reliability and convenience for Tesla owners. Roxant Viper Monocular Telescope. Featuring high-definition optics, this monocular telescope delivers 10x magnification with a 25mm lens for crystal-clear visuals. The premium BAK4 prism enhances light transmission, providing sharp, vibrant images. Designed for durability, it boasts a weatherproof construction and a non-slip grip, ensuring a secure hold in any conditions. Compact and lightweight, it includes a protective case and wrist strap, making it the perfect companion for outdoor adventures, sporting events, and exploration on the go. Tracky GPS Tracker. Equipped with real-time 4G LTE tracking, this GPS device offers unlimited distance monitoring across the USA and worldwide, thanks to its built-in international SIM. The compact and lightweight design ensures discreet placement on vehicles, children, pets, or valuable assets. Featuring advanced GPS, Wi-Fi, and GSM technology, it provides accurate tracking, geofencing alerts, and historical location records. A rechargeable battery lasts up to 60 days in battery saver mode, with live 24/7 customer support available. WeBoost Drive X. Delivering a stronger cell signal, this booster provides 33% farther gain than single-user models, reducing dropped calls and improving voice quality and data speeds. Compatible with all major US carriers, it ensures reliable connectivity even in remote areas. Fully 5G compatible, it works seamlessly within modern networks. Designed for multi-user functionality, it enhances signal strength for all passengers. FCC approved, it guarantees performance and compliance, making it essential for road trips and rural travel. Harrow's Wolfram. Crafted with 97% tungsten barrels, these darts offer exceptional durability and precision. Each dart is match-weighted to plus or minus 0.05 grams, ensuring consistent performance for competitive play. The black titanium nitride and vivid red metallic coating provide a striking appearance and enhanced grip. Designed for professional and recreational players, they deliver superior balance and control. Whether for casual games or serious competitions, they offer an edge with their precision engineering and sleek design. ULAUAN Hidden Camera. Offering ultra-high 1080p resolution, this hidden camera provides crisp real-time streaming with a wide-angle lens for extensive coverage. Easy to set up in just 3 steps, it includes detailed instructions for seamless installation. Capable of 24/7 monitoring when plugged in, it ensures round-the-clock security. Multiple security protocols protect user data, while optional SD card storage allows for independent operation. Ideal for home surveillance, it discreetly monitors pets, children, or valuables. SB Component USB Hacking Tool. Built on the Raspberry Pi RP2040 microcontroller, this ethical hacking tool enables users to explore data logging, encryption, and programming. Compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux, it requires no additional drivers and supports open-source development. Designed for aspiring hackers and coders, it provides hands-on learning for cybersecurity and coding techniques. With Python support and HID library integration, it allows users to create custom programs, making it a versatile tool for tech enthusiasts. Parigo LED flashlight gloves. Providing hands-free illumination, these LED flashlight gloves offer bright, focused light for working in dark spaces. Ideal for mechanics, DIY enthusiasts, or outdoor activities, they eliminate the need to hold a separate flashlight. The stretchy fabric with adjustable straps ensures a secure fit for most hand sizes. Packaged as a great gift idea, they are perfect for fishermen, electricians, and runners. Whether for repairs or outdoor adventures, they offer a convenient lighting solution. The Atomic Bear Stealth Pen. Designed for self-defense and everyday carry, this tactical pen features a hidden tungsten carbide glass breaker beneath the silicone cap. Ergonomically shaped for secure grip, it serves as a discreet self-defense tool. A high-quality Schmidt P900 cartridge ensures smooth writing performance. With an online training course included, users can learn defensive techniques. Ideal for emergency situations, it functions as both a writing instrument and a survival tool for safety-conscious individuals. Pavershot self-defense device. Firing pepper powder at 170 mph, this self-defense device creates a 6-foot-wide deterrent cloud, neutralizing threats instantly. Unlike firearms, it follows standard pepper spray regulations, making it a legal and accessible option. Compact and easy to carry, it fits in a pocket, purse, or bike mount. With reloadable cartridges available in standard or magnum strength, it ensures long-term usability. A dual-action safety mechanism prevents accidental discharge while allowing for quick deployment when needed. That wraps up our list of 20 mind-blowing legal spy gadgets you never knew existed. Whether you're looking to boost security, enhance your tech collection, or just have some fun with next-level gadgets, these incredible finds prove that the future of stealth and innovation is already here. Want to get your hands on any of these awesome devices? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.